Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today video title is guys how to change device name in Vivo Y15c phone. Guys, you want to change your device name, so guys you can change. So guys, now let's see how to change device name in Vivo phone. So first of all, open your phone setting to change your device name. Then guys scroll it, and guys you will have to click on guys your about phone setting. So guys, about phone guys, you can see, click here. Guys, click on this pencil option, and guys tap here, and guys cut. So guys you can change from here. So guys we will take any name. Example guys, we will take this mobile vivo my phone. So like that example for guys, we will change device name mobile vivo my phone. Then guys okay. So guys, now you can see device name has changed in our vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change device name in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.